Hi guys, just been rummaging through my workroom or junk pile. Pulled this out. It's well, it actually sits on a pirate boat and it rows itself forwards not very well. It's a project I did a long time ago and have been meaning to revisit for ages. So I'm going to have a look at this, see if I can print some proper oars for it, 3D print some oars, so we can do something a bit more efficient than me just gluing plastic spoons onto his feet. Maybe even do away with the original spider bodywork and just have the gearbox and some oars. Now, I'm not going to do any more to it out here at the moment. We're in the conservatory where it is roasting hot because we're still in the heat wave at the moment. I just thought I'd do the introduction in here because if I try and do it in the other room where it's cooler, Nanny's got the television on, so there'll be too much noise in the background. So that's the introduction. Plan is take this apart again, do some measurements on the legs and see if we can 3D print some suitable oars to make it a rowing eight legs. I could just add, it's got two ESCs on it at the moment because it's got two electric motors. So one drives one side, one drives the other side, so that you can use differential speed to actually make it turn. There'll be links in the video description to the original radio controlled spider, because there's a little series of videos on it. Doing this step by step, I've printed this piece which will replace this piece, mainly to see if I can get my measurements right. And then if this bit's right, then I'm also going to replace the bottom side of it, the bottom end, or his body, with another 3D printed piece. Let's just see. A little bit tight. That's because we've got the wires sticking out. So I might need to make that a little bit more generous. Yeah, it's clearing the plastic, but the motor is in the way. Can I wiggle it in far enough to get that one over there? Right, that's one in place. We could do with one more leg just so we get the idea. Because the body has actually got the pivot points in the moulding. May not be the right one. I should have made a note of them. They are numbered if I remember rightly. They're probably numbered on the end there where I've got the hot glue on them. Oh no, there's the number. L3. Which way up are we? L would be that side, so I want an R. L2. R1, so that'd be the front one. It might be a bit of a pain to get that one in at the moment. Yeah, let's do a different one. R2, I would guess that would be that one. Yeah, that's in the right place. I think on the face of it, it looks like I've more or less got the positions right. I mean, I ought to put them all in, but just for demonstration purposes, I'll see if I can get one more on each side. So, we've got 2 legs in position. I've rigged up a servo tester, which will drive the ESCs. And we'll use a You can probably see where I'm going with this. If I change these legs out for oars, then if you actually watch the movement, it does circulate round and lift and drop at the same time. Just watch one of them. Right, I've got a bit more power in that battery. Yeah, I think you can see where we're going with this anyway. That'll do for now. I'm happy that I've got my alignments right, so I now copy all those for the bottom side. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.